I'm so excited to learn with you today.
I am back, Judge. The 4 people I brought in are just requesting bench trial dates.
All right. We'll start with Miss Tranisha Smith, since she's got the most. We'll get her out the way first. This
That's
is
good.
case number SP 131-25311, Trinice Smith, allowing unlicensed driver. Case number 162-527-551.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Ms. Smith only has that one case. Just that one case, SP 131-25311.
Well, what about these other 20 or 30 that are listed?
That is Tranisha. That's a different person, Your Honor.
Oh, I have TRENECE. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. One case. All right. Let's have your appearance, ma'am.
I'm Daniel Wazak, P35225 with the defendant. Ms. Smith, will you open your microphone and tell the judge your name, please?
Trini Smith.
Thank
Your Honor,
you.
Ms. Smith would like a bench trial date. She is going to waive jury rights.
All right, we will set aside her show cause since he has shown up for court today. Mr. Clerk, let me have a bench trial date for Ms. Smith.
Trial date, Your Honor, will be January 23rd at 8:35 a.m.
January 23rd at 8:30, Ms. Smith, you need to come back then. You need to come back then, ma'am.
Okay, I was just writing it down. Thank you.
Thank you, you're free to go.
Will I come to the same Zoom court ID?
Yes, ma'am, come back to this Zoom court.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Bye-bye.
How about if we go to Mr. Evans?
That's
Yes,
fine,
sir.
Judge.
All right, this is case number SB 134-23262. Tyjeski Evans, no insurance. Case number SB 134-23261. Tyjeski Evans, 16 to 20 over. Let's have appearances.
I'm Daniel Wazak, P35225. Mr. Evans, will you tell the judge your name, please?
For the record, my name is Tykees Evans, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr.
Counsel?
Tykees Evans is requesting a trial date.
All right, Madam, Mr. Clerk, I need a trial date for Mr. Evans.
Yes, sir. January
Yes,
23rd at 8:35 a.m.
January 23rd at 8:35, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to come back then.
January 23rd at 8:35.
Yes, sir. Come back to this Zoom courtroom.
Okay.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Okay, thanks. Get out of here.
Mr. Spear, you want to go to Mr. Spear next?
That would work, Judge, yes.
All right, this is case number SB 124-61881, Roy Spear, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
I'm Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Mr. Spear, will you tell the judge your name, please?
My name is Roy Spear, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is there an offer of counsel?
Your Honor, he'd like a trial date. He's hoping to obtain insurance before he comes back.
All right, Mr. Clerk, trial date for Mr. Simmons.
It'll be January 23rd at 8:35.
January 23rd at 8:35, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You need to come back at that date and time.
Okay, you have a good one.
Yes, sir, you too.
All right. Thank you, lawyer.
Good luck, sir.
All right.
All right, we're going to Simmons. This
Yes.
is case number SB 128-94051. Dario Simmons, driver's license suspended. Case number SB 128-95052, driver's license suspended. Case number SB 128-98081. Disorderly conduct. Case number SB 128-97751, improper equipment. Let's have appearances.
Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Mr. Simmons, will you tell the judge your name?
Dario Simmons.
Your Honor, Mr. Simmons would waive jury rights and ask for a bench trial.
Bench trial date, same date, Mr. Clerk, January 23rd at 8:30.
Yes, Your Honor.
January 23rd at 8:30, Mr. Simmons.
All right.
Come back on that date and time.
All right.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Now, my other defendants, Judge, I do need to discuss with the Assistant Corporation Counsel,
All right.
if we can find them or know where they are.
Yes,
Good luck.
I'll get a touch of them. With them.
Can I please be placed in a breakout room with House Counsel?
I was muted all over the place. Hi, Mr. Rosenthal.
Hello, Mr. Wozak, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I have 5 people I need to discuss with you.
Do you have capabilities to put me and you in a breakout room?
I believe I can. How about we go to room 10?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Join. we have resolved those matters. I'm going to start bringing those people into the courtroom.
All right.
Thank you.
You want me to just close all the breakout rooms? All right, House Counsel, who do you want to start with?
Let's start with Anthony Esters Duthet. Anthony Malik Esters Duthet.
Okay. I saw him. Oh, there it is. This is case number SP 134-43731. Anthony Esters, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Sir, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Thank
Your Honor,
you.
this
Send
would
it off for House Counsel.
Your Honor, he's presented proper documentation. The city has agreed to dismiss.
All right, based on the representations of House Counsel, I'm going to dismiss ticket number SP 134-43731. Mr. Esters, you owe us $25 House Counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay it?
End of the week.
I'll give you a week, 36districtcourt.org. You asked for a week?
All right, thank you. Yes, a week.
All right, you're free to go, Mr. Drollet.
All right, thank you. You have a nice one.
All right.
Next, Judge, if you'd like to do Arthur Evans, please. Arthur
Arthur
Evans.
Evans, all right. This is case number SP 126-93101. Arthur Evans, driver's license not valid. Case number SP 126-93102. No insurance. Case number SP 129-29162. No insurance. Case number SP 129-29161. Driver's license not valid. Let's have appearances.
I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Evans, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Arthur Evans.
Your Honor, Mr. Evans has been offered a plea to fail to display, which is no points on one of the tickets, and on the other three would be dismissed. I believe Mr. Evans would like to accept that offer for no points.
All right. Madam Clerk, swear Mr. Evans in.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Evans, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Evans, did anyone, did you have an opportunity to meet with attorney in private about your
Yes.
case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Clerk, I need the date and time Mr. Evans will stop.
Yes, sir. October 28, 2021 at 10:24 p.m.
On that date, at that time, will you stop by the Detroit Police and issue violations?
Yes.
Counsel, void to your client for the factual basis.
At that time, sir, did the Detroit police officer ask you to present a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And were you able to present that valid license to him at that time?
No.
I'm satisfied, Judge.
I'm gonna find that Ms. Evans is pled guilty to ticket number SB 126-93101, which has been reduced from driver's license not valid to failure to display. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing ticket number SB 126-93102, ticket number SB 129-29162, ticket number SB 129-29161. Mr. Evans, you owe $200. How much time you need to pay?
Next week, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll give you 2 weeks, 36districtcourt.org.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, you're free to go. House counsel?
Next, we could do Sanders. That would be Shavon Sanders.
All right, this is case number SB 129-33611, Shavon Sanders, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Ms. Sanders, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Siobhan Sanders.
Your Honor, she's presented valid documentation for Progressive Insurance. The city's prepared to dismiss based on that.
All right, based on the representations of House counsel, I'm going to dismiss ticket number SB 129-33611. Ms. Sanders, you owe us the $25 house counsel fee. How much time you need to pay it?
End of the week.
I'll give you 2 weeks, 36districtcourt.org.
Thank you.
Thank you, you're free to go.
Next, Judge, if we could do Dwayne Smith.
This is case number SB 128-49751, Dejon Smith, license improper, case number SB 128-49752, no insurance, just have appearances.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Smith, will you open your microphone and tell the judge your name, please?
Dewan Smith.
Your Honor, they're willing to have Mr. Smith plead to one count of failed to display, which is no points. They will dismiss the other ticket. He would like to do that.
All right. Mr. Clerk, would you swear Mr. Smith in?
Yes, Mr. Smith, please raise your right hand, please. All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
Put your hand down and pay attention to me. Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Clerk, I need the date and time Mr. Smith will stop.
December 3rd, 2021 at 4:59 a.m.
On that date, at that time, will you stop by the Detroit Police and issue violations?
Yes.
Counsel, void your client for the factual basis.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, at that time, did the officer ask you to present a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Were you able to present that license to him?
No.
I'm satisfied, Judge.
I'm going to find that Mr. Smith has pled guilty to ticket number SB 128-49751, which has been reduced from license improper to failure to display. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing ticket number SB 128-49752. Mr. Smith, you owe us $200. How much time you need to pay?
Thursday.
All right, I'll give you a week, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, you're free to go.
And lastly, Judge, there's Ashley Simpson, if we could, please.
Thank you. This is case number SB 9508751, Ashley Simpson, driver's license suspended. Case number 195179711, no operator's license. Let's have appearances.
I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Ms. Sampson, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Ashley Simpson.
Your Honor, she corrected this violation. She did obtain a driver's license. The city is satisfied and will dismiss.
All right, based on the representation of spouse counsel, I'm dismissing ticket number SB 9508751, ticket number 195179711. Ms. Sampson, you owe us $25 house counsel fee. How much time you need to pay it?
Can I have to the next week?
I'll give you 2 weeks, 3650court.org.
Okay,
Thank you. You're free to go.
thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Judge, that completes everyone I had in the waiting room. I don't know if anyone else has arrived, but it looks like we're done.
All right, Mr. Clerk, are we done?
Yes, sir. No one else has checked in.
Thank you, Mr. Clerk. Thank you, House Counsel. Thank you, Court Reporter. Thank you, Prosecutor. Thank you, Officer. We're out of
Bye.
here.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too,
All right, you
thanks.
too.